So I've got a really large bowl here of spinach. Now with spinach, it comes in various forms. This is a kind of chunky, robust, kind of thick stemmed type. And obviously you can get the very sort of fine leafy stuff. But what's important is that you give it a nice wash, because you get lots of kind of grit and stones and bits of dirt in there. So nice wash, and then we're going to cook it away. Now, huge amounts of it always reduces down to pretty much nothing. It really does reduce down. So nice little wash there. You can see the type that I'm using. You can use a different type. Off we go to the cooker. So you're going to need a large pot to cook this in. And you can see here, I've got the smallest amount of water in there. You don't need much water at all. And there's going to be some water from the spinach that we have here. So I'm going to grab it and I'm going to drop it all in. And then the heat goes on high, the lid goes on. I'm going to cook it for just about 5 minutes or so, and it will reduce right down. Back in a moment. And by the way, if you wanted, you could add a little bit of salt in there. I'm not, because I'm going to be adding salt when we cook it a bit later. Okay, off goes the heat. Let's jump in, have a look. You can see that's reduced right down there. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take that out. I'm going to put it into a colander, drain it off and let it cool down. And then I'm going to give it a squeeze once it's cool enough, because it really holds a lot of water. And then you can chop it as you want and use it for pasta, for curry, for whatever you want.